In this video, I'm going to show you how to make apple cider chicken. For this recipe, you need 2 chicken breasts, a half a cup of apple cider, a half a teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, a half a teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt divided, a half a teaspoon of pepper divided, 4 teaspoons of olive oil divided, and apples. First thing you need to do is cut the chicken breast in half. Heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Season one side of the chicken breast with half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Place the chicken seasoned side down in the skillet and cook for 5 minutes. Depending on what size apples you have, you're going to need 3 to 6, and what you're going to do is just cut them in small slices. I ended up using 3, they're about medium size. Flip the chicken over and cook for an additional 5 minutes. Now you need to remove the chicken from the pan and place on a plate. Wipe the skillet down with a paper towel using utmost safety. I use tongs, but whatever works. Now pour in the remaining 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the apples and all of the seasonings. Cook the apples for 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Add the chicken back to the skillet, pouring the apple cider over the chicken, and cook for an additional 5 minutes. This chicken is so juicy and the flavors are awesome, but don't take my word for it. Try to make it yourself, and if you do, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that too so you don't miss out on any great recipes.